Speedboat Maniac 410, guys. So look, we're getting some snow. We got about a good 8-10 inches already, as you can see over on the picnic table. Look at that. And look at that. What you doing, Jack? Jackson, Jack, what you doing, bud? What you doing, bud? Hey. Speedboat Maniac 410, guys. So look, we're getting some snow. We got about a good 8-10 inches already, as you can see over on the picnic table. Look at that. And look at that. Nice little surprise there. Jack, you good boy. So anyway, look, here's the deal. A couple things. I ordered the clip for back here, guys. I got it at a marine supply online. It was only $8 with $10 in shipping. And I'm also going to show you the part number for this clip that I'm talking about, the Mercury full part number for the whole actuator assembly and the breakdown of it, and the clip part number itself. Again, it's for a number 5, but it also includes Alpha, Bravos, TRSs, and Speedmaster 3, 4, and what we have, 5. Here's what I thought we would do. I got a couple viewers and subscribers, and thank you guys all for coming on board. Especially a guy from Texas. His name is Tim, and I appreciate you coming along, Tim. And he sent me some photographs of his, I believe, 38-foot fountain. Beautiful boat with naturally aspirated 900s in it. So after some, thinking, I was talking to a couple of viewers and/or subscribers down in the comment section, and then on some private emails about doing a feature day, maybe once or twice a month, where you send in your pictures and/or videos to me privately. We go through them, and we'll put together a video within one of my videos that I'm putting out to basically feature your boat. Now, here's the touchy part. Does it have to be a fountain, Wes? Are we just doing fountains? We thought about doing Fountain Friday or Fountain Fun Day or something like that. But the more I got to thinking about it, our channel is made for all viewers of speedboat, enthusiasts. So to answer your question, not that you asked the question, but I'm thinking that we will do all makes of boats. Now, I'm not going to do like sailboats and little peachy fishing boats because I don't do a whole lot of fishing, but speedboats, high performance boats, things like that. So yeah, Speedboat Maniac will do feature videos and/or pictures integrated into my videos featuring you guys with your first names only and the town that you're from, all over the world and/or America. Let's see how it goes. So my first one's going to be this one, Tim W. from Texas. all the new videos. SpeedBoatManiac coming at you guys. We'll see you next time. And as always, God bless. What are you doing, Jack? I like your new glasses.
You mean my old ones?
Yeah.